Hey, want to speak English easily? Today, we'll learn it fast, like a kid. Let's start now. Hi, friends. Welcome to my channel. Here, I make English super simple and fun. Missed my picture lessons? They're super easy, check them out later. Today, we are learning daily words, like I eat, I play. It's quick and awesome. Let's go. These are easy sentences about daily life. We call them present simple. Don't worry, it's just a fancy name for things you do all the time. Like, I go, you read. Let's try some together. Fun examples. Look at these, say them with me. She drinks coffee every morning. Yum, coffee. I go to work by bus. Beep beep. You read books in your free time. Wow, so smart. He plays football on Saturdays. Goal. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Tasty. She watches TV in the evening. Fun shows. You study German every day. Guten Tag. He works in an office. Busy man. I listen to music. Dance time. She travels to Berlin once a month. Cool trip. Now you try. Pick 3 things you do every day. Say them out loud, like, I brush my teeth. You cook dinner. He drives a car. Pause if you want, and practice. Mistakes? No problem, you are learning fast. Wow, you are awesome. Today, you learned easy sentences for daily life. Keep practicing, like, I walk. She bakes, and you'll speak English like a pro soon. Love this? Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and tell me in the comments. What do you do every day? See you next time. Keep smiling, you've got this.